Hello, I'm Charlie Norris, WAGO's Automation Product Manager. I'm here to show you how to quickly get your OEM starter kit wired. All the components that you need are included in the kit, so let's start by staging the components. We will start with the Visual Panel 200. To the right, I will stage the base power supply, and to the right of that is the Compact Controller 100. You will also need the 120 volt power cord, the red and blue wires, Ethernet cable, and the WAGO operating tool. We will first wire the 120 volt power cord. Please use good wiring practices when wiring this cord, and only wire this if you have previous experience with wiring 120 volt devices. First off, ensure that the cord is disconnected from any power source before proceeding. The black cable goes to L for line, the white wire connects to N for neutral, and the green is ground. Next, insert the WAGO operating tool in the square slot to open a cage clamp connection. Then you insert the wire, and be careful that all the wire strands are neatly placed within the cage clamp connection and none of them are outside of the connector. Next, I will wire the 24 volt DC side of the base power supply. You need to connect the two red wires to the positive terminals and the two blue wires to the negative terminals. Insert the operating tool into the square slot to open the cage clamp connection, and then place the wires in the round slot. Once the wires are in place, remove the operating tool. Now, we will connect the 24 volt DC power to the Visual Panel 200. Connect the red wire to the plus 24 volt terminal and the blue wire to the 0 volt connection. This can be done in place, or you can remove the terminal for your convenience. For powering the Compact Controller 100, we wire the other red wire to the positive 24 volt DC and the blue to the 0 volt connection. Use the operating tool to press the orange release to open the cage clamp. Finally, we will connect the Ethernet cable to the X1 on the Compact Controller 100 to the LAN 1 connection on the Visual Panel 200. If all the wiring is complete and safe, you can plug in the 120 volt AC connection. If you'd like to learn more about these products, go to www.wago.com/US/OEM-starter-kit. And thanks for watching.